Hello and welcome to SmartKit Designs. Whether you're managing multiple projects, leading a team, or running your own business, staying organized and productive can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up and use your project manager template step by step. You'll learn how each tab works, from the task tracker to the Kanban board, Gantt chart, decision matrix, calendar, and dashboard, all without using complex project management software. For this demo, we'll be using the light mode version. You can adjust the zoom level in Google Sheets to fit your screen and make the text easier to read. Try a few sizes to find what works best for you. If you haven't grabbed your template yet, you'll find the link in the description below. You can also use the chapter timestamps to jump to any part of the tutorial at any time. Alright, let's dive in. Starting with the Instructions tab. The Instructions tab is your starting point for getting the most out of your project manager template. Think of it as your quick reference guide. Here, you'll find a link to this video tutorial, access to a fresh copy of the template in case you ever need a clean version, navigation links to jump easily between sections, and detailed written instructions for each tab with examples and screenshots. Anytime you're unsure about what to enter or how something works, come back here as your reference. Now, let's move on to the Start tab, where you'll configure your template settings and preferences. The Start tab is where you customize all the key settings and preferences that power your project manager template. Use this tab to register your team members, define task categories, and set up projects with start and end dates. It's the foundation of your system. Once this information is configured, all drop-downs and dashboards will pull data from here. To make sure all dates and times display correctly and your reports stay accurate, go to File, click Settings. Under the General tab, select your locale and time zone, then click Save and Reload. Once that's done, check the box to mark this step as complete. Next, personalize your drop-downs. Under the Team and Tasks section, you can add up to 30 task owners and task categories. You just need to set it up once. These will automatically appear across all key tabs of the spreadsheet. In the Projects section, you can set up to 30 projects. In our demo, we label these projects, Project Orion, Project Summit, and so on, but it can literally be anything else, like product launch, e-commerce site redesign, or a client name if that makes more sense for your workflow. Start adding the project name. Project numbers will automatically populate and be assigned to the project. Enter the start date and end date of the project and assign the project lead. The last section, Working Schedule, is where you customize your team's calendar and availability settings. Add up to 30 holiday dates and descriptions. These holidays will be automatically skipped in Workday calculations and highlighted in your calendar views. You can also log each team member's personal time off or leave dates. These sync automatically with task scheduling and workload reports. Select a team member and enter their day off start and end dates. Finally, set your working days schedule by choosing which days of the week count as active workdays. And that's it. You're all set to start tracking work and managing your team and project effortlessly. Now, let's move on to the Task Tracker tab. The Task Tracker is your main control center, the place where you manage every task in one organized place. At the top, you'll find dynamic summaries that update automatically as you log tasks, showing progress, completion rates, overdue items, and workload distribution at a glance. Scroll down, and you'll see the task database where you can record up to 2,000 tasks. Each row represents one task, and all calculations update instantly in the background. Simply fill out task name and description. Select the phase this task belongs to. Phases help you group related tasks under one section so you can easily track timelines and progress. For example, in a website launch project, you might have Phase 1, Planning, Phase 2, Design, Phase 3, Testing, and organize all related tasks together. This template supports up to 10 phases per project, and we'll explore them further in the Gantt Chart tab. Then, select your project, task category, and task owner from the drop-downs. Choose a priority, low, medium, high, or very high. Update the status to not started, in progress, review, on hold, or completed. Next, set the importance and urgency checkboxes. These checkboxes power the Eisenhower Decision Matrix, a proven prioritization framework that helps you focus on what truly matters. Important means the task contributes directly to your goals or results. It matters. Urgent means the task requires immediate attention or has a near deadline. It's time-sensitive. As you mark tasks as important or urgent, the Decision Matrix chart updates automatically, showing which tasks need focus, which can wait, and what can be delegated or skipped. We'll review in details in the next tab. Then, add your start and due dates. If either date falls outside your project's timeline set in the Start tab, the cell will turn red. Just adjust it accordingly. The Workdays left column then calculates automatically, skipping weekends, holidays, and non-working days. Enter the progress % and the estimated hours to complete the task, and use the Notes column for extra context as needed. As your team works, they can update progress, mark tasks as completed, and add a date of completion. Completed rows turn green, keeping your list clean and visual. Use column filters to focus on specific tasks or group views to organize by category, owner, or project. For example, group by owner to view individual workloads, or by project to check progress across initiatives. Now let's move on to the Eisenhower Matrix tab to see how prioritization works in action. The Eisenhower Matrix, also known as the Decision Matrix, automatically organizes all your tasks by importance and urgency, following the Eisenhower principle. It divides everything into 4 quadrants: Do Now, Schedule, Delegate, and Don't Do. The Do Now section displays all your tasks that are important and urgent. The Schedule quadrant shows important but not urgent tasks. Delegate is for the tasks that are not important but urgent. And finally, Don't Do are tasks that are neither important nor urgent. Use the Filter section to adjust which period of tasks to display. Show tasks from a specific project or team member. Filter by status. Hide completed tasks. And toggle the legend to see which statuses correspond to each emoji. This matrix updates automatically whenever you modify tasks, making it perfect for weekly planning or team check-ins to quickly identify what needs focus right now. Now, let's see it all come together in the Kanban board. The Kanban board gives you a clean, visual overview of every task, automatically synced from your Task Tracker tab. Each task appears as a card inside its latest status column: not started, on hold, in progress, in review, or completed. Every card displays key details: task description, priority, project, due date, estimated effort, and real-time progress, giving you a quick, complete snapshot of what's happening across your projects. By default, overdue tasks appear first, so you always know what's critical. On the left side, you can use the Control panel to filter your view by year and month. Show tasks for a specific project or owner. Focus on certain priorities. Sort tasks by due date, priority, progress, project, category, or owner. And toggle the legend to see which emojis correspond to each status. To hide the control panel, simply click the minus button at the top left corner, and to show it again, click the plus sign button. The Kanban board is ideal for weekly reviews or team meetings, helping you track progress, identify blockers, and keep every project on course. Now, let's review the Gantt Chart tab. The Gantt chart gives you a complete, time-based view of your entire project, showing exactly how tasks, phases, and milestones connect across the lifecycle of your project. Every project timeline is built automatically from your task tracker data and refreshes instantly, keeping everything in sync. On the left side panel, simply select the project you want to review. The chart will automatically generate a 52-week view organized by months and weeks, so you can easily monitor long-term projects or short sprints at a glance. At the top, you'll see key project details, total working days, remaining time, team capacity, and the overall task completion rate, giving you a quick snapshot of progress. Each project can include up to 10 phases, and within each phase, up to 15 tasks are displayed as nested bars, making it easy to see how timelines align and overlap across your workflow. In the main section, each row represents a task and displays its ID or WBS code, like 2.1.1 for quick reference, where 2 is the project number, 1 is the phase, and 1 the first task logged for the project. The task name, category, and assigned owner. The current task status. Task progress, shown with a visual progress bar. Start and end dates. Total days, which calculates the calendar days remaining until the due date. Workdays, which count the total number of valid workdays, including the start and end dates while skipping non-working days and holidays. Priority level. And days left and workdays left, which track time remaining or overdue days based on both calendar and working day logic. On the right, progress cards summarize how much of the project falls under each status category, giving you a quick overview of completion. When you select a project, the timeline displays a 52-week view starting from the project's first week. Non-working days, holidays, and today's date are all color-coded for quick reference. Each active task row is highlighted to show its start and end period, making it easy to spot overlaps between tasks and phases and visualize overall progress by phase color. To hide a phase, click the minus button in the top left corner. And to show it again, click the plus sign button. The Gantt chart is perfect for project reviews, planning sessions, or timeline reports, giving you instant clarity on how every piece of your project fits together. Next, let's move on to the Weekly Schedule tab. The weekly schedule gives you an automated day-by-day view of all your active tasks for the week, helping you and your team stay aligned on priorities and deadlines. Each column represents a day of the week, and each row lists your tasks pulled automatically from the task tracker. You'll instantly see what's due, in progress, or completed, all color-coded for quick reference. Use the filter panel too. Choose the starting day for your 7-day view. Show only tasks for a specific project or owner. Focus on specific statuses by hiding up to 4 statuses. Display only incomplete tasks. Toggle the legend to reveal status emojis with their meaning and color-coded holidays, non-working days, and team members' time off. At a glance, you can balance workloads, identify bottlenecks, and keep daily priorities crystal clear. Now, let's zoom out to the Monthly Calendar tab. The monthly calendar gives you a clear, monthly overview of all your tasks, showing pending tasks by due date and completed tasks by their completion date. You'll instantly see where you or your team should focus and never miss a deadline, thanks to real-time updates. Use the left panel too. Set the year, month, and week start day you want to view. Display tasks from a specific project. Focus on one team member's workload. Exclude up to 4 statuses for a cleaner view. And toggle the legend to show emojis for each status, plus color-coded task owners' time off, non-working days, and holidays. Completed tasks automatically turn green, so you can quickly move on to what's next. On the right, the summary panel displays your total, completed, and pending tasks, along with a quick list of all due dates for that month. Now, let's move on to the Dashboard tab to see your project insights and performance metrics in action. The Dashboard tab gives you a full snapshot of your team's tasks, projects, priorities, and performance, all in one place. It helps answer key questions like, how much progress have we made this month? Which projects need attention? Where are we spending most of our time? The dashboard is organized into 4 sections: tasks, projects, priority, and team, each giving you real-time insight into productivity and progress from a different angle. At the top, you'll find your key metrics: total tasks, overdue, active projects, total hours, and active owners. You'll see in the task section today's tasks list, upcoming deadlines and overdue tasks, and visual calendar and charts showing task progress, status breakdowns, and monthly trends. In the project section, you'll see average completion rate, project duration, and effort utilization metrics, plus a project health portfolio and top 5 projects by performance. Each project's health score is calculated by combining factors: the completion rate or percentage of due tasks completed, the on-time rate or percentage of tasks finished by their due date, and the late rate, which penalizes tasks completed after the deadline. Together, they provide a clear measure of overall progress and timeliness. The priority section summarizes your task distribution based on the Eisenhower Matrix, helping you see where your team's time and effort are going. You can review task hours, completion rates, and insights by quadrant, plus a list of the most urgent and important top tasks to do now. The team section provides a complete look at performance, workload, and efficiency. It highlights workload and performance across all members. You'll see task, project, and hour averages per owner, a breakdown of on-time versus late task completion, 12-month workload trends, and upcoming time off to help plan ahead. Finally, if you ever need to jump back to another section of the template, use the navigation links on the left side to quickly move between tabs. The dashboard brings everything together, giving you total visibility and control across your projects, tasks, and team performance. And that's it. The Project Manager Pro template gives you one dynamic workspace to track progress, manage workloads, and move every task seamlessly from start to finish, helping you boost productivity with clarity and ease. You're now ready to stay organized, focus on what matters, and turn every day into a win. If you'd like to revisit any section, use the YouTube chapters below or open the Instructions tab guide in your spreadsheet. We hope this template helps you bring structure, focus, and peace of mind to your work. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help. And if you haven't grabbed your copy yet, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and here's to making every task and project count.